So here's the challenge for today. We have this 3D sketch and we want to create a flattenable sheet metal region with an open bottom. So where do we start? Well, let's go into the surfacing commands and use a bounded surface, and what we can do is we can quickly go around and pick each of these regions and build surfaces around all of these items. And just what I'm doing is I'm just doing a right mouse click to accept. So anytime you see the tick sign up in the command finder, you can just use a right mouse click to accept the input. Now the way that we're going to do this is we're going to use a thin part to sheet metal or part to sheet metal. So what I just want to do is just go through and create a solid from this, and because I've already got the sketches, I thought the easiest way to do that would be just to put a face across each of those surfaces, and then when I go to the stitch command and just fence select that and accept it, it tells me that the stitch surfaces form a solid body, and that's what we work from. So under the under the tools menu, we have a part to sheet metal, and what this allows us to do is take this solid and create a sheet metal document from it. So let's just move this over so we can see we've specified a 1mm gap, but now we need to go through and pick the edges which are going to form the bends. So how do we do this? We want to have just these three here. Notice as I select them, it fills in the sort of the sheet metal faces for me, so I can visually see. I've left this one open because you need to be able to flatten it so it can't be a closed shape. So the other ones that are going to be open are these ones, so we'll leave these open, but we'll make these into bends, and as I go round you'll see it adds in those faces as well. And just to change the material thickness to the inside, I can click on the arrow and then right mouse click to accept it, and that has done a conversion to a sheet metal, leaving the bottom face open. So that's the first stage. Then we want to go to flatten. We can pick up on this face here and have that as the orientation, and as you can see, what we have is the flattened model.